Hey, so what kind of work do you do? Oh, I'm a YouTuber. That's what I do. It's a lot of fun, really. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I make money on YouTube and Amazon and through sponsorship deals and promoting items and stuff. It's a lot of work, but I enjoy it. It gives me something to do. So you sit on your butt all day long being lazy? Oh, okay, I see. Wow. Yes and no. I sit for a long time like an office job or something like that, but lazy? Oh man. Sure, there's some days where I feel lazy, but it's a lot of work. I mean, doing YouTube part-time or full-time just takes a lot from you. Yeah, but that's not a real job. I mean, you're sitting on your butt, simply recording a video and uploading it on some website. That's not a job. That's so easy. It's honestly easy and probably pretty lazy. Just saying. Don't be offended, but just saying. I don't mean to offend you, but just saying. Wow. So, making money is not a real job? Okay. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but anybody can do it. I mean, even my 1-year-old can go do that. So, I'm going to stick with it's just lazy and pointless, I see. Providing for my family, no matter where the money comes from, it's the same. Actually, once you get big enough, the U.S. government considers me and you as a business owner. You pay taxes, you have the same laws, not to mention, us full-time YouTubers, we spend 8 to 10 hours a day working on content. It's a lot. There is a lot involved. It's not as easy as one may think. Well, I hear what you're saying, but it's still lazy, and really only uneducated people think it's a real job. I mean, how hard is it to simply press record? It can't be that hard, can it? No, I don't think so. In fact, here, let me pull out my phone. I'm a YouTuber. I just recorded a video of talking to you, and I'm going to upload it. Look how easy it is. Anybody can do it. It takes nothing. You don't need anything to do it. So, I'm sticking with what I said. It's lazy, and only an uneducated person would say that it's an actual real job. So, anyone can build a network that makes them money literally while they're sleeping. Look, I don't mean to disagree with you, but honestly, it's not as easy as it sounds. Do you have a network of making money while you're sleeping? I don't know, it's just, I guess a lot of people don't quite understand it. Well, to be quite honest with you, that sounds like a lot involved. It doesn't sound worth it. Honestly, you're just wasting your time now, so that's all I can say because, yeah, I don't understand it, so I'm just going to go with, you're still lazy, it's something easy, and you're just wasting your time. It's childish, so that's what I have to say about that. Okay, you're right. Anyone can press record, but a true social media YouTuber either needs to hire someone or learn all of these different skills. It's not as easy as it sounds. Oh, by the way, I learned all these skills myself. I don't have anyone doing my photo edits, video edits, or anything. Even the music, I outsource it, and then I add my own stuff. So, these are just a couple skills that you have to learn, or you should learn, to be a good YouTuber. Number 1, learn how Google works. Number 2, learn video editing skills. Number 3, photo editing skills. You gotta learn Photoshop, you gotta learn marketing, you gotta learn social promoting, you have to learn business management, learn keyword targeting, learn the art of selling a story, learn word keys, learn what's hip, what's trending, what's going on, having the salesman-like skill mindset, learning computer programming, computer editing, because you're working on a computer almost all day. So, I run 9 YouTube channels for me personally, and I make an income from 4 out of those 9 channels. So I have turned 4 channels into providing income, not just while I'm awake, but while I'm sleeping, and that's just YouTube. We're not talking about the Amazon that I have intertwined with my YouTube network. So there's a whole lot that goes involved, and that's just the tip of the iceberg, to be quite honest with you. So 3 out of 4 of my YouTube channels are completely different content. Therefore, I must learn the trade of each content type. Product reviews, so you have to learn different items, what's selling, what's doing good, what's not. And it snowballs from there. There's so much you have to know with selling content and selling products and promoting things and doing it a good way to the audience that they're happy. And then we have my knowledge of cars for my car channel. You know, you gotta know cars, you gotta learn cars, you gotta know the car scene. You have to deal with the trolls, the drama, and everything of that. Not to mention my prepping and related channel, as well as, you know, doing videos, cooking, and whatnot, prepping stuff. It's just, oh my goodness, we could talk all day long on all the different things that you have to learn. I mean, there's literally over 1,000 different things that you could learn on YouTube, and you're just still going to be learning as YouTube changes. It's crazy, really, when you think about it. I spent 10 years building a network of over 15 skills where I make money in my sleep, on top of making money from Amazon and a day job as well. Could you try imagining managing not just your personal life, not just working a physical job, but also an Amazon affiliate job and making content, uploading content, interacting with people online? You know, I have over 12 social media network accounts. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Skyrock, TikTok, Snapchat, you know, we're everywhere. So could you imagine doing all of that and still continuing to function? It's a lot harder than it sounds, and to be quite honest with you, I'm not even talking about half the stuff that is involved. Well, I see what you say, but honestly, I don't understand half the stuff you just said, so I'm going to stick to my original opinion that it's easy and it's lazy, because I don't understand it, half of what you just said. So yeah, it's easy and it's lazy. Sorry, you're not going to change my mind. Look, you just proved my point. You have no idea how hard it is or what it takes as a true YouTuber. You know, true YouTubers know so much, deal with so much trolls, software, errors, YouTube's algorithm, so much more. What we mentally handle on a daily basis would make most people go insane. So, to be quite honest with you, maybe you don't understand all we do, but next time try showing support. Try supporting somebody. Instead of trying to down them all the time, why not be supportive of them? That way, you know, look, in life there's so many haters, there's so many naysayers. Look, we deserve to have credit for how hard we work, but we don't all seek it. Sure, there's some YouTubers that just seek the fame, seek the fortune, and they promote it and they, you know, exploit how much they make and everything they do and say, look at me, I'm good, look at this, you know, I'm better than you. No, a lot of us YouTubers don't do that. So the next time, you know, you think we're lazy or it's not a real job, just think of all the time and effort and everything that goes into it. Well, now that I have your attention, everything I just said only makes up probably 25% of all that is involved with being a serious social media influencer. So remember, next time you are forced to watch an ad, or, you know, you can't skip an ad, or whatever reason, just remember all that goes into being a YouTuber. You know, we don't get near the credit that a lot of us deserve. And me personally, when I tell people, oh yeah, I'm a YouTuber, a lot of people don't take it seriously. A lot of people just don't take me seriously. And it does hurt because, you know, when people think it's not a real job, when people think, oh, you know, you're lazy, you must sit around all day long and have all the time in the world to do whatever you want. It's not. Mentally, it is more stressful than working an 8-hour job. And I can say that because I've done that. You know, I've worked a 12 to 16-hour job every day, and this is just as stressful as a 12-hour job because mentally it takes so much. Yes, I would rather do this than a 12-hour physical job because in this, you kind of your own boss. So there are bonuses, there are pluses in this whole thing. But there's so much involved that people don't understand, that the knowledge that goes through our minds on a daily basis on stuff we have to remember, stuff that we're doing, it does take a lot from us. So YouTubers around the world need your support. We need you to keep watching our videos, sharing our videos, but not just that, we need your mental support. You know, don't just, shrug us off when, you know, we're a YouTuber. Ask us stuff, you know, interact with us, ask us different questions about it. Show enthusiasm towards what we're doing, because what we're doing is not as easy as people really think. You know, like I said, that is just 25% of what we do. We also have personal lives and jobs to deal with, so if you believe still what we do is easy or lazy, then I challenge you. You make a YouTube channel. But that's the easy part. The easy part is making a YouTube channel. The easy part is uploading a video. You want to know what's real hard? Making money from YouTube. That's hard. You want to know what's real hard? Being committed. Sure, anybody could be a YouTuber for 6 months or a year. You try doing it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Try doing it for 1 year without making money, 2 years without making money. Try doing something like this, being committed. And guess what? You can't just simply, well, I'm going to upload once a month, or I'm going to upload here and there. If you want to be a serious YouTuber, you have to upload at least 2 times a week. Sure, you can upload once a week. It's going to take you a while. So, yes, you can upload once a week if you wanted to. But you're not really a serious YouTuber. Only the big channels upload once a week because they've already established their business, their network. Sure, there are channels that have uploaded once a week and they have never changed from that. But to be serious, to put full effort into it, to start, you want to upload as much content as you want to get it out there so people can see it and so you can get there. The point of this is go make a YouTube channel. Try and make an income from it. As of today's video, you need to have 4,000 watch time hours in the last 12 months to even be considered to make money on YouTube. Oh, and you need 1,000 subscribers to be considered. So you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. We're not talking about minutes. 4,000 hours. I think that adds up to, oh man, I did this a while ago, 166 days worth of content being watched. So it's crazy. It's not as easy as it sounds. Okay, everybody? So look, if you still think it's easy, then, you know, all I can say is you don't understand what really goes involved and how mentally strong YouTubers really are. So the next time you know, if you have a family member that's a YouTuber or friends or whatnot, support them, comfort them, give them, you know, your attention. Don't just shrug them off or in your mind think, that's not really a job. To the U.S. government, it's considered a job. To the U.S. government, it's more than a job. You're a business owner, and YouTube needs to be treated like a business or like any other business. If you neglect it, it's going to fade away and you won't ever get anywhere. So my friends, thank you for watching this video. Man, that Santa hat was hot. Woo! Thank you. I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And if you haven't noticed, I was trying to read off notes that I made because, my goodness, I don't think I'm a good actor, but I wanted to do this video for fun. So thank you guys for watching. That's why I got to show you guys this. You know, if you're still here, you got to check this out. So this is what I was trying to read off of. I wanted to make up a stand. Look at this. I needed to make up a stand so I could read off my notes on the side, but make it look like these are all my notes on my acting. So basically my script right here, and I wanted this to stand up so I could read off of it. So I would have it like that, so you guys wouldn't really tell that I was looking away. So anyway, guys, you know, it's so much work involved, and I appreciate, I actually do have to have this last message here, and get serious with you guys for a second here, if we can change our camera over here. So I do want to get serious with you guys. Thank you so much to everybody who shows me support on YouTube, on all my channels. If it's the Town and Country Prepper, that's one of my channels. Scott's Honest Reviews is another channel. Rev Line 89 is another channel. Only Honest Amazon Product Reviews, or Honest Amazon Product Reviews, is another channel. The Life of Scott, the Random Life of Scott is another channel. Wanger Time 89 Gaming is another channel. The Millennial Stock Investor is another channel. I have so many channels. I have 9 channels, 4 I make money off of, and it means so much. You guys have no idea. Your support, when you comment, when you like a video, when you share a video, how much it truly means to me. And sure, a lot of YouTubers out there, they're in it for the money. They don't really care about anything else. And, fine. That's the reality of the world. It is. But we don't get near as much credit as I think all of us YouTubers deserve, because people see ads and they think, oh my gosh, they're just money hungry. No, we are trying to make a life out of this. We're trying to do what we can to provide, and most YouTubers like me that are small, we put most of our money back into YouTube to try and make better content. With me juggling so much in life, it means so much that you guys still care and you follow. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you all, and you know what? I can't wait for 2021. I can't wait to see what's next. So God bless you. Thank you so much for watching my channels, all of my channels, and subscribing. It means a lot to me. Have a good day, guys. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.